Let done.
Ants. Yup, you can see that ants. Oh my god, ants. Yup, earlier this day, I saw a big ant. Yup, it's a big ant.
Let done. Look.
Just minutes in our nature walk, I saw another ant colony. Only second. See them? Dang it. So this is an ant colony. There's an ant carrying some dirt during the colony. There's some ants over there, and you can see some messed up parts of the colony. You guys can see some thingies over there. Some ants. This one, ant colony number 1.
Let done.